automatically lip sync any animal character in iClone 8. Hello everyone, and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically lip sync almost any animal character in iClone 8, even if your character is just a pre-rigged FBX model and doesn't have character creator facial properties. By the end of this tutorial, your animal character will be ready for automatic AccuLips lip syncing, facial expressions, eye blinking, and animation inside iClone 8. Since this is an animal with a humanoid bone structure, make sure you select Humanoid during the import process. This is very important because Character Creator needs to recognize the skeleton as a humanoid rig before we can add facial capabilities. Once the character is imported, you'll notice that it doesn't yet have Character Creator facial properties. We'll build those ourselves. Creating the T-pose. Our first step is creating a proper T-pose. Using the existing bones of the imported character, adjust the pose until both arms are perfectly aligned in a standard T-pose. A correct T-pose ensures Character Creator can accurately characterize the skeleton. Take your time here, because this step directly affects the quality of the final rig. Characterizing the skeleton. Here we'll assign each bone to its corresponding body part. Character Creator highlights the required bones using green and orange indicators, making it easy to identify which bones still need to be assigned. Simply connect every required bone until all mandatory slots are complete. When everything has been assigned correctly, the characterization icon turns green. That's exactly what we're looking for. Click Activate to finalize the characterization. Your animal character is now fully recognized as a Character Creator humanoid. With the body successfully characterized, it's time to give the character facial animation capabilities. Open the Facial Profile Editor. This is where we'll create eye blinking, facial expressions, and the visemes required for automatic lip syncing. Once these morphs are created, iClone will be able to generate speech animation automatically. Now modify the mesh until the eyelids close naturally. Try to keep the blink smooth and believable. Repeat exactly the same process for the other eye. After both eyes are complete, exit Edit Mesh mode and test each blink to make sure they open and close correctly. If necessary, make small adjustments until the movement feels natural. Creating the visemes. Now comes the most important part for automatic lip syncing. Scroll down to the viseme section. Each viseme represents a different mouth shape used during speech. One by one, select every viseme. Click Edit Mesh, then Reshape the mouth according to the reference image displayed on the left. Adjust the lips, jaw, cheeks, and mouth opening to closely match each phoneme. After editing each one, exit Edit Mesh and test the morph to ensure it transitions smoothly. Repeat this process for every viseme in the list. Don't rush this step. The better these mouth shapes are created, the more realistic your automatic lip sync will be. Editing the tongue. For even better speech animation, don't forget the tongue. Some visemes require the tongue to move into different positions. Edit the tongue mesh for the appropriate visemes so it matches the mouth shape naturally. These small adjustments make a huge difference in the final animation quality. Sending the character to iClone 8. Once all your facial profile editing is complete, send the character to iClone 8. Now your animal character is fully prepared for automatic facial animation. Open AccuLips. Import or record your voice. Generate the lip sync. Within seconds, iClone automatically analyzes the audio and applies realistic mouth movements using all the visemes you created inside Character Creator. Your animal character is now talking automatically.
Hi, I'm your penguin assistant. I can answer questions, tell jokes, and even remind you about your tasks. Just ask me anything. I promise I won't freeze under pressure.
To make the animation even more expressive, use Motion Puppet to quickly add body movement. You can also apply different motion
Hi,
masks so
I'm
only
your penguin
specific body
assistant.
parts animate
I
while
can answer
others remain
questions,
still.
tell jokes, and even
This gives you
remind you
complete
about your
control over
tasks.
your character's
Just ask me
performance
anything.
and helps create
I promise I
natural-looking
won't freeze under
animations.
pressure.
And that's it! You can now convert almost any pre-rigged humanoid animal FBX into a fully character creator compatible character with eye blinking, facial expressions, and automatic AccuLips support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.